Hola, amigos. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the delicious world of Mexican Christmas dishes. From the comforting tamales to the sweet crunch of buñuelos and the warm hug of ponche, get ready to experience the true flavors of a Mexican holiday feast. Let's start with the star of every Mexican Christmas dinner, tamales. These little pockets of joy are made from masa, a corn-based dough, filled with savory or sweet fillings, and wrapped in corn husks before being steamed to perfection. Making tamales is more than just cooking, it's a tradition that brings families together. Everyone plays a role, from spreading the masa to folding the husks. The combination of tender masa and the rich, flavorful mole is absolutely heavenly. Each region in Mexico has its own unique twist on tamales, so there's always something new to try. Now, let's move on to buñuelos. These crispy, deep-fried treats are a must-have during the holidays. They're light, airy, and perfectly sweetened with a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar or a drizzle of piloncillo syrup. Listen to that crunch. Buñuelos are not only delicious but also fun to make. They symbolize good luck and are often enjoyed during posadas, the traditional Christmas celebrations in Mexico. Pairing these with a warm drink like Mexican hot chocolate is pure holiday bliss. Finally, we have ponche, a traditional Mexican Christmas punch. It's made with seasonal fruits, cinnamon, and piloncillo for a warm, spiced drink that's perfect for chilly December nights. The smell of ponche simmering fills the house with holiday cheer. And don't forget the optional splash of rum or brandy for the adults. It's fruity, spicy, and comforting all at once. Each sip feels like a warm hug during the holidays. And there you have it. Tamales, buñuelos, and ponche, 3 dishes that capture the heart and soul of a Mexican Christmas. Whether you're celebrating with family or exploring new traditions, these flavors are sure to make your holidays unforgettable. Cheers to a delicious and joyful holiday season. Let me know in the comments which of these dishes you'd love to try or what your favorite holiday food is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive food adventures. Feliz Navidad, and see you in the next video.